Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, you're welcome. Today's video is gonna be an unboxing. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. I have my scissors here. The last time I was using my teeth, or I ended up using knife and teeth. Okay, I ended up using my fork and teeth, but this time I came with scissors. So this video is going to be unboxing, and I'm going to be gisting you. Don't you want gist? I just want to gist you how my day is going and whatever comes to mind. I'm going to be gisting you. So yeah. So I want to take my Pringles. I'm very sorry. I don't know when this video is going to land. It might be during Ramadan. Well, after Ramadan. Anyway, let's start. First off, I want to tell you that. Why is that making noise? I bought this Boya mic. I've forgotten the price, but it was working fine until recently when I found out that I cannot take the background noise that is coming with it. Bariro, what happened? Why are you so excited? Wow, really? And now I'm looking for a Bluetooth mic that is inexpensive, that is not expensive, because you see all this one that I'm seeing that they are entering 100k. On top waiting you to never start to pay me money for. I beg, I don't fit. But if you have idea of anyone, please let me know, because this caused havoc already. Content havoc, it cost it already. 3 content that I made with it, and I know my voice was not picking up. But now someone told me that I should make sure this is attached properly to something, like it is not dangling, so it's going to be fine. I did it. Bariro. I did it, but I still found out that it was picking a lot of background noise. So now I'm making this video without camera, without external mic. I'm using my camera mic. I just need to edit it and cancel the background noise. So yeah, let's get started. If you know me well, you know that I like buying gadgets. Like, I love buying gadgets. I love it. So because I have 3 lights, but right now I'm using 2, 1 year. I needed extra extension because the one at home is already booked. Like, it is for something, so I needed to get the one that is going to be just for me, so that nobody will come and meet me and say, yeah, I want to do something, because you understand, like, just for content. I wish it was more longer, the rope, but hopefully it does the work. Yeah, I'm going to test it later. Gosh, I'm sorry. Life update I want to give you guys is, as I'm unboxing is, with the gist I want to give you guys is like live updates, no, because I'm just coming from the hospital. I have to go to the hospital today to do to complain, because there was a part where when I gave birth, there was a part where they were giving me so this is another package. So I ordered them from Jumia. I don't know what is in here, but there are a lot of things I ordered, like kitchen stuff and one light, like LED light. So as I was saying, I went to complain because the part when I gave birth, there was a part they were giving me painkiller on my labs. They were injecting painkiller in my labs, into my body from my labs. And I found out that the thing has, before it was numb, I wasn't feeling pain, but now I'm feeling this shooting pain coupled with numbness coupled with sensational pain, everything sharp falling on top of each other. As if I just briefly touch it, like it will be paining me. Ah, this is my baby's boy. Look at your boy. Your boy is so beautiful. Ah! Courtesy. This is courtesy. A big mommy. Our own big mommy. Hopefully this will make sense. So you know it's from Junior. It might not be classic. You understand? Whatever, but hopefully it is. Barira, your boy is here. You'll not be looking like a boy now. Ah! So, you know, I said she's sugar mommy that bought it, and that's because tell me why I was pregnant and the thought of buying. Let me show you properly. It looks so. The thought of buying baby band for my baby did not cross my head. Like it did not cross my head. I was like, okay, there's cap. She can always wear cap and all of and all of that. So like I was onto myself. I was like, why won't you have it? She's looking like a boy. Anyway, so as I was saying, the of recent now, and I start feeling a shooting, you know, stabbing pain. Oh my, you look so beautiful. I start feeling it on my laps, and it is becoming unbearable. So I had to just go to the hospital to ask what's up, what's going on with my leg. And look so beautiful. Say you know. Say you know you look so beautiful. So I used like hours in the hospital, and I was hungry. They'll be thinking I'm fasting, but I was hungry. I could not eat because I don't want to be saying to people that are they breastfeed now, why I no fast? Because some people just be looking at you like, why is this one not fasting? Mamma mia! Now you look like a girl. Let me look like a girl, but by instance I was like, and my dad, I took some pictures of both of us and I sent it to my dad, and my daddy was like, why is she looking like a boy? But I told my sister, my sister was like, I told you look like a boy. I hope you bought that bow. And I was like, okay, I bought that too. You should just free my girl, so beautiful, mashallah. So maybe I'm gonna look for a tutorial on how to wear a baby headband. That's beautiful. That's yellow. And this, I got this for 3 something. There are 6 in numbers. So we have blue, we have pink, deep pink. I don't know if this is deep pink, but you get it's white, yellow, red, and pink. We'll be using it properly now. Now I will snap picture with you and send it to your father. Sorry, to grandpa. Your father will see you very soon. See, she has vomited on my body. When I carry you, when you run vomit. That's what we go through. So if you see any white anything on my clothes, just know that it's my baby. And yeah, that's my life now. Thank you. Now, the voice, I dash you. Use it. I don't need to remove. I'm not removing it from your head. So the next thing on the list is, okay, this one, I went out this morning. When I was coming back from the hospital, I went to the supermarket hospital and bought this. So it's an expandable shell, and yeah, let's open it and see what's inside. I got it. I think they wrote it was 35. Yeah, it was 35. So it's 35. Yeah. Oh, is this? Okay, if you normally it is like this. So if you want to expand it, then you add the extra leg. I think it's easy to put in. Oh, sorry. Beautiful. So, will this one not be shaky like this? It will only buy it to your long. What's the work of this one? Because I don't like the fact that It's looking like it will not stay well, but regardless, I bought this. This is a good buy. I don't know if it's a good buy, but when I put it and the stand and whatever, it's gonna tell me. I'm going to know if it's a good buy or not. But yeah, 3.5. My baby's born. I'm so happy about this. So so this is for my oven. I noticed that as time goes on, the surface of my oven and sometimes I'm very lazy to clean it after cooking, and I sometimes sorry, and there are sometimes that I need to. You vomited again. So and sometimes I forget to clean it. So now that's left, this space, this stain on it, and I just feel it cannot just continue that way. It is not going to be nice. So I bought this. So what they wrote here, I want to get. Please watch YouTube video on how to cut it. Please note each of its different size. So we cut for best fit. Voila. So you understand, it is for my oven surface. Maybe when I'm arranging my kitchen and all of that, I'll watch a video on it. I also bought this adhesive. I could not find it on Jumia. It is for my kitchen surface, my kitchen island. I could not find it on Jumia, so I ordered from a friend. She sells kitchen items and all of that. So I bought 2. I don't know if it's going to be too much, but I bought 2. So with this, the expandable shelf, I just want to add some little changes to my kitchen to see how it is going to be like. You know the trick. So next on the list, this is supposed to be the LED light. Don't tell me that LED light I got is very small. This is LED light, I think from the same vendor, and egg. What's this? Egg whisk. I'll show you, Sha. But I think from the same vendor. Just my scissors. Why is it looking small like this? Please don't be small. So this is the egg mix. I've been using a color. The egg whisk. I can use it to make the cafe taster. So you know that whipped cream, instant beverage, and for egg too. Yeah. How much did I buy this one? Like, let's say 2.6. I want it like 2.6. It's very fragile, eh? Does it need battery? Which kind of wire like this? It needs battery. Where I want to see battery? Why did not say it need battery? So I would have bought battery with it. So which kind of battery will enter this place like this? Voila, too much. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. So yeah, the whips. So they don't think that this is the light. This is very small. Let's open it. This is so small. I bought it because of these films. That's red, blue, and yellow. Ah, this thing is really tiny. It is so tiny. Bariro, this is so tiny. What is this? This is so tiny. Look at it. Then there is a stand. Ha. What you see is not what you get, yo. Here's the stand. You don't finish. Eh? You don't finish. I'm trying to stand. Sorry. Sorry. I don't understand. How does this one to stand? This is so disappointing. Let me go and get my power bank so I'll plug it and you will see. Let's see how bright the light is, because what was this disappointing? I bought it because of this film. So I bought it because of this film. I wanted to like have this, put it at my back whenever I'm filming, so to have this colored light that is coming out, whichever I want for that big video. Or maybe I'll just pick a theme or something. That's why I bought it. So I was thinking it's going to be like big, and you know, you get what I'm saying. I'm so disappointed. I am highly disappointed. This thing is like 15K on Jumia, and then they slashed the price like, let's say 7K or something. I was like, okay, since it's like 15K, that means it is big. Like, no, I was not going to be extremely big, you get, but I was not expecting it to be this. Oh, my morale don't spoil. Let me go and get this thing. So I brought my power bank. Oh, my baby. Assalamu alaikum. This better be. I plugged you. I've already plugged you. I plugged. What's with that? Please don't let me cry, baby. Don't let me cry. What am I supposed to put you on? You're supposed to be on. Okay. I've forgotten that there's a switch. So, what's with this? What's with this? I want to off my light. It's so light in front of me. I'll go for one part. Guys, what is this? Let me increase it. That's a video film. Barira, what happened? Hey, God, what did I go by? So, this is a video. Okay, Maria. The blue and the yellow. I'm not even going to make it. This thing is too thick. It's too thick, Jerry. I'm This is the highest. I mean, can you go up? No, you can't. This is the highest. What's this? Okay, to rotate it. It comes with a rotation. Let me on my lights back. What is it? I got the vest. It's not the vest me. Guys, I'm so angry. And if I hear anybody in the comment section saying, "Hey, Chebi, what is this? What do you expect?" I'm going to woz you. You don't see that somebody is wozzing you as they are typing it. Because what is this nonsense? Tell me why the initial price is 15k. Who are you? As in Bariro, who is this person? Who are they to be saying it's 15k? Yeah, what are you? Such a nonsense attitude. Well, I can be using this as a stand. Not totally bad. But you're not doing what I want you to do. So anyway, it's a win-win chat. This can go like a tripod stand. So yeah, if you're not gonna be useful in what I buy you for, you're gonna be useful in other thing. So yeah. The next and the last thing to unbox is look at the packaging, like saying a better thing. I honestly can't remember what I bought that is as big as this, but let me think. Let me just open. My brain is not putting right now. But I was thinking this is going to be the light, honestly speaking. Started fine. Tell me why before I wasn't expecting this big package for this small thing. What I like, I see already 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't finish already. So this is the tissue stand. They cannot even do free gifts. Make I open box. Make I see free gift inside. Nonsense. So this one is my kitchen also. I want a what's the color? A tissue stand. Yeah, a tissue stand. Should I do a makeover? Oh, this is so cute. Bacala of it. Barrier, look at. Is it fine? So cute. Look at it. So beautiful. Wow, this looks so aesthetically pleasant to the eyes. So this is going to be in the kitchen and my tissue is going to be inside. Right now, I don't have what I should have made. I don't have a stand for it. It's just there and it's getting messed up. So yeah, this is so perfect. This is so beautiful. This and the bowl are the two things that make me happy since morning in this unboxing. Just that two things. Can you imagine, Barrio? Can you just imagine? Can you? I thought about something. Let me try and put this light behind me and see how it will be. Look at, it's not even bright. Why they follow me? Sit down. This thing not even dey secure. See as it's just falling down. Hey, which I go buy? I don't buy market to problem. I buy market, yo. So, yeah. Is it giving? It's not giving. Okay, maybe try and reduce this. Okay. Maybe it is good. That's the sole purpose. That's why I bought it. I just be buying things without thinking. Well, I thought about it, but I did not know it's good. This is so annoying. Hey, Mariro, this is so annoying. Ah. What you say? I have money, I buy better thing. Na me dey do I shook your eyes, I dey shook my eyes. This blue right now, I'm using it to cover this red license of me is big. It's as big as this. So this is not gonna make any effect. But I could actually see the effect it's made when I put it. Can you see? The blue light is at the center of it. What? How nice. Let me try this. It's giving yellow effect. This is a ring light, so I cannot place it. So let me try the red white. Oh, nice. I like it. It is giving. Can you stay there? Hi guys. So today's video we're going to be talking about. Let's remove it. David, you can see the difference. I can see it. If you can't see it, you're blind. Sorry, you're not blind. Yeah. Anyways, those are the things I got. I wish I had more money to get more things, but I don't get money. Now it's I get money for I go buy. So I might try to make a video of my kitchen makeover. It's not a get makeover. Don't go and be thinking maybe I'm doing a big makeover. It's a very simple makeover. As Allah will have it. As our budget to have it. It didn't really pay me, honestly speaking. But I'm really lying. So yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. Packing that light back. Only if I'm the regret. What has happened has happened. It's not good to regret. It's not good. I want to say one last thing before I go and say question. Am I the only one that buy things and keep the carton? Like I will legit keep the cartons. Like say there's something I want to use them for and there's nothing I want to use them for. It is just there. Am I the only one? Plus guys, you know the funniest thing? I think maybe they do myself. Because that LED light now I have what I wanted to achieve with the LED light. I was thinking it would be more brighter, that's why I put it. I think it would be more big and bright, that's why I put it. But tell me why I have a sunset lamp. So that I can actually use because both of them, I even think the sunset lamp is more brighter than this one that I just bought now. You see that is a Jikoko. Sorry. I think she wants to eat. So yeah, that's going to do it, guys. Please, thank you for coming to this chaotic unboxing.